Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to regrow green onion which I brought from grocery store. We need 1/4 glass of water and bunch of green onion. Before we start, first click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First of all, we need to cut the green onions having roots up to 3 cm, like as you seen in the video. And rest of material you can use for cooking. You can see the green onions having length up to 3 cm. Now put these green onion in glass of water. And make sure that the roots should be submerged in the water. Like that, you can see my green onions are submerged in water. Now put this glass on warm place, or you can also put it in the window where the direct sunlight came. Within 2 days you will see that your green onions start growing. As you seen in the video. Make sure that onion should have enough water to grow. You will see that the new roots of green onion. And within 3 days your green onions will be fully grown. Now like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.